Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to add and how to remove screenshot shortcut to quick settings in Realme 14x phone. First of all, how to access quick settings. On the main screen, on the right side, from top to bottom, we need to swipe once, and here we have our shortcuts. Now, we need to tap the pencil icon once, and here at the bottom we have a collection of shortcuts that we can add or remove. So we are looking for screenshots. Here it is, screencast, screencast. Here it is, tap it once, screencast is available. And when we go back, the shortcut will be here. Now how to remove it? Same way. Pencil once, screencast once, back out, shortcut is gone. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.